ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्री राम जय जय राम। 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 जय जय राम। जय जय राम। ॐ रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। ॐ श्री रामचन्द्राय नमः। अतुलितबलधामं हेमशैलाभदेहं दनुजवनकृशानुं ज्ञानिनामग्रगण्यं सकलगुणनिधानं वानराणामधीशं रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। ॐ श्री हनुमते नमः। ॐ ध्यायामि चिन्मयानन्दं गुरुदेवं महामतिं प्रेमपूर्णं क्रियाशीलं सदा लोकहिते रतं कृपालुं सुन्दराकारं समर्थं सत्यदर्शिनं वाचा तत्त्वप्रकाशिन्या शोकमोहविनाशिनम्। ॐ श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरवे नमः। ॐ नमः श्री तुलसीदास सद्वरिष्ठाय धीमते पूरितं हृदयं येन रामप्रेमामृतेन मे। ॐ श्री तुलसीदासाय नमः। श्री राम श्री राम श्री राम श्री राम श्री राम। Hari Om, a very hearty welcome to all of you to this fresh series. We saw the glorious childhood of Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra Ji. And we also mentioned in the previous series on the last day that from now, the Ramacharitamanus will start moving faster. Isn't it? Until now, the Bala Charita was beautifully explained by Sant Tulsidas Ji, because the Bala Charita is always a beautiful thing. Our childhood has been very, very wonderful. We all understood. Now continuing, Tulsidas Ji says, we are now reading the 203rd Chaupai. All right. बालचरित हरि बहुविधि कीन्हा, अति आनंद दासन कह दीन्हा। कछुक काल बीते सब भाई, बड़े भये परिजन सुखदाई। चूढ़ा करण कीन्ह गुरु जाई, विप्रन पुनि दक्षिणा बहु पाई। परम मनोहर चरित अपारा, करत फिरत चारिवु सुकुमारा। मन क्रम बचन अगोचर जोई, दशरथ अजिर बिचर प्रभु सोई। भोजन करत बोल जब राजा, नहीं आवत तजि बाल समाजा। कौसल्या जब बोलन जाई, ठुमुक ठुमुक प्रभु चलिह पराई। निगमनेति शिव अंत न पावा, ताहि धीरै जननी हठि दावा। दूसर धूरि बरे तनु आये, भूपति बिहसि गोद बैठाये। भोजन करत चपल चित, इत उत अवसर पाई। भाजी चले किल कल मुख, दधि ओदन लपटाई। सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय। उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय। सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। बालचरित हर बहुविधि कीन्हा। Tulsidas ji now consolidates and puts it in one sentence and wants to move further also. Balacharita, all the various childish sports, we may not call it as childish, childlike rather, childlike sports. And many such childlike sports, Bhagavan, performed and enjoyed. Ati Ananda, great joy. And that is always the case, when little children, when they do whatever they do, in fact, is Anandamaya only. Not only for the parents, for anybody. Even enemy also tries to enjoy the joy, the sports of the children. That is the glory of children. Ati Ananda dasana kahadinha. He not only gave joy to the parents with the sports, he also gave lots of joy. Ati Ananda. To whom? Dasana, to all the servants who are working for him, who are entertaining him, who are playing with him. It is such a joy. Kachuka kala beete sab bhai. Time, after all, time and tide waits for none, it is said. Some time passed, and 4 brothers, Bade Bhai, all of them started becoming older. Meaning what? From the child state, infant state, they became boyhood. They gained that stage of boyhood from the stage of infancy. Parijana Sukhadai. They gave so much of joy, those boys. They gave so much of joy to the entire city, people of city, and even the inmates of the palace. Right? Chuda karana kinha guru jai. Chuda karan, that is tonsure, we say. So in our Shodasha Samskaras we have Garbhadana, Pumsavana, Simanto Nayana, Jata Karma, Namakarana, and then next comes Chudakarana. What is Chudakarana? Tonsure. It's a very common feature, not much explanation is required. All of you know because you have also got it done and you have got it done to your children also. Viprana puni dachina bahupai. Having done that Chudakarana samskara, the Brahmanas got lot of gifts, presents, etc., etc. Dachina. Dachina means what? Dakshina, for the act. they were given. Parama Manohara Charita Apara. You know, Parama Manohara. Even the boys, even though that Upanayana Samskara was done, tonsure was done, the Samskara has gained them no doubt a little bit of maturity, but after all they are boys, you see. So Parama Manohara, they delighted themselves and they delighted others also. It was such a beautiful sight to behold. Even we in our, let alone our own house also, even in the surroundings when you go out and walk, when the boys walk and run here and there playing, it is a sight to behold. It's a sight to be joyful, you see. Unless you have some hatred to the parents which you transfer it to the children also, which is very stupid, Manakrama bachana agochara joyi. This Bhagavan, Paramatma, Sri Rama, and the four boys, Manakrama Bachana Agochara, they cannot be actually comprehended, they cannot be conceptualized. That real glory of Bhagavan, the one who cannot be comprehended through Mana, mind, Krama, deed, Bachana, speech. Thought, word and deed, it is said. One who cannot be comprehended. Dasharatha Ajira Bichara Prabhusoi. Such a great, glorious God, he played in Dasharatha's courtyard with all the other three brothers and some friends also. Bhojana Karata Bola Jabaraja. When Raja Dasharatji called him for Bhojana, Nahi Avat, he would not come. Taji Balat Samaja, giving up the friends and this one, they would not come back for the sake of, for even for food. Why? They did not want to miss that. So many times it happens in our houses. Why? Every house it happens. When the boy goes out to play, the parents want him to come back and study. He has to study also. They say, come back. 5 minutes, mommy. 2 minutes, mommy. This 5 minutes and 2 minutes, both for playing and for sleeping, is never ending. It has no meaning, 5 minutes and 2 minutes, isn't it? Even while sleeping, get up, 5 minutes, please, 5 minutes, and then you will cover yourself and then sleep on the other side. Isn't it? These are all very common things. So they would never come. Nahi avata tajibala samaja. Unwilling to come back. Kausalya jaba bola na jai. When Kausalya went, when father called, they would not come. When Kausalya went, Tumuko Prabhu chalahi parahi. Slowly they will crawl and then, all that natak they will do and then they will try to escape. Nigamaneti Siva Antana Pava. Tulsidas says, the Shastra Nigama and Veda says Neti. Veda says, who is this Brahman? Na iti vakyataha. Not this. That supreme Brahman who is described as not this, not the physical body, not the prana, not the mana, not the buddhi, chitta, ahankara, none of them. That is that supreme. That supreme Nigamaneti Siva Antanapava. When they declare, and even Shiva could not find such great Brahma Tattva, Tahi Dare Janani Hatadava. The mother had to run to catch him. So playful, so joyful. Dusara dhuri bhare tanuaye. What did he do? He went and played with everybody. And in the process of the playing, like all any other boys, Bhagavan also came with so much of dust in his body, on his clothes. Bhupati bihasi godha baitai. But then the king would take him and make him sit on his lap and give him so much of love, shower so much of love. That was his childhood. Bhojana karata chapala chita. Even while sitting and having food. Now there are no more children. There are no more infants or babies. They are now boys. In spite of it, Bhojana karata chapala chita. The mind was so restless. Why? It wants to go and play. isn't it? Ita uta avasarupai. We little escaping possibility, they would escape and run away. Bhaji chale kilakata mukha dadhiyodan lapatai. When there is a little, they will take some food, with curd and rice, dadhi, odana. They would take some curd and rice and put it in their mouth and run away in delight. For what? To play. Food is over. Karke. Like that, the childhood, the infanthood, and now the boyhood also pass through with lot of entertainment, with lot of joy. Continuing, Tulsidas says, Balacharita ati sarala suhaye sarada sesha sambhushruti gaye jinakara manaina sananahirata tejana banchita kiye bidhata भये कुमार जबहि सब भ्राता दीन जनेऊ गुरु पितु माता गुर गृह गए पढ़न रघुराई अल्प काल विद्या सब आई जाकी सहज श्वास श्रुति चारी सोहरि पढ़य कौतुक भारी विद्या विनय निपुण गुणशीला खेल ही खेल सकल नृपलीला करतल बान धनुज अति सोहा देखत रूप चराचर मोहा जिन बीथिन बिहरहि सब भाई थकित हो ही सब लोग लगाई कोसलपुर बासी नर नारी वृद्ध अरुबाल प्राणहुते प्रिय लागत सब कहूँ राम कृपाल सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। बालचरित अति सरल सुहाए, his wonderful, charming, very innocent childhood had passed through, and that has been sung by Sharada, Sesha Bhagavan with his 1,000 hood and 1,000 mouth, Shambhu, Shivaji, Shruti Gaye, all the Vedas have sung. All of them have sung the glory of Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra Ji. Jinakaramanayina sananahirata tejana banchita kiye bidhata. Those people who did not come to listen to this Ramacharita Manas, this great glory of Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra Ji's Charita, who turned their face towards that, who went away from listening to them, no, they are deprived. Tejana banchita, they are deprived of such joy, which the entire kingdom of Ayodhya, entire palace, all the servants, all of them had that joy. Those who did not listen to, those who did not take part in listening to the glory of Bhagavan, they are deprived of that joy. Such glorious was that. Bhaye Kumara Jabahi Jababhrata. Now, slowly Tulsidas Ji goes forward and says, when all the four brothers, Kumara, Chari, all the four of them, Jabahi Sababrata, Kumara Bhaye. All the four brothers, when they become Kumara, Kumara meaning what? Youthhood. Deenha Janeu Guru Pitu Mata. Now, Guru, the Rajya Guru or Kula Guru, Vasishtha Bhagavan, and then Pitu Mata, the father and mother, they performed the Upanayana. So, now please see, Garbhadana, Pumsavana, Seemantonayana, Jata Karma, Chudakarana, all that is done. Now Upanayana Karma is being brought. To that extent, the movie has been fast forwarded, I may say. Now what did they do? They gave him that particular sanskara of Upanaya Samskara, sacred thread. Now the sacred thread has always been not rightfully, respected by all. They are not given the right respect. Kya karna, what to do, I have to do. Therefore, and then the parents have a good idea, and the boy may not really understand much. Upanayana karma is being conducted. How many of us have really respected the Upavita? Yajñopavitam paramam pavitram yajñopavitam. And the 3 threads with a knot indicate so much of truth in it. There is so much of significance to it. The 3 threads, Sharira, Mana, Buddhi. All the 3 are tied with a knot, which indicates that without which these 3 cannot function. That is nothing but that Atma. Right? There are so many explanations to it. And it also represents Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva. And that is again tied with that Brahman. They are connected by Brahman. They are enlivened by Brahman. And if you have to give an explanation to it, interpret this one, then there are plenty of ways. Karma, Bhakti, Jnana. And all the 3 are meant to take us to that one supreme, which is again Brahman. Like that, so many can be interpreted. Okay, there are occasions when all those things will come. We will see at that time. Right now, we will proceed further. Guru Griha Gaye Padhana Raghurayi, having performed that Upanayana, Upavita has been given to them. Now they have to go to Guru Griha. Those days, the moment Upavita, Upanayana, that particular action is done, that particular program is done, that particular event is done, the Vatu goes along with the Guru to the Guru Griha. It is not like the school where you go in the morning and come back. You have to go with the Guru and stay with him for probably 12 years or so. They have to stay with him. And there they have to serve the Guru and then gain the knowledge. They have to get up early morning in the Brahma Muhurta, 4 o'clock. For us it is midnight for many of us. 4 a.m. in the morning, or maybe even earlier, 3:30, 3:45 a.m. You have to get up, you have to take bath, you have to arrange, for the Guru to take bath. Hot water, everything you have to arrange. Clean the ashram. So many things the children are supposed to do, not for the sake of getting the work done, but through that they also learn. They learn cleanliness. They learn how seva bhava should be inculcated in them. The patience, how they can inculcate. Then how they should not be negative thinking. There should not be negative thinking in them. They should serve the Guru with utmost reverence. All these things the boys learn when they go to Guru Griha. Along with that, they also learn the Shastras. Shastras of varieties. We will see that very soon. We will see now. So, Guru Griha Gaye Padhana Raghurayi Alpakala Vidya Sabha. Alpakala, in a very, very short time, all the Vidyas they learned. Now here I would like to slightly list. What we list is very small. They learn much more actually, but we will see. Why do I want to list now? The purpose is to show our children, our youngsters. Now in the modern days, we have probably 6 subjects totally in the school. And in the degree colleges, only 4 subjects, main branch, one particular branch. 4 subjects. In the school days, there are 6 subjects. Science, social studies, mathematics, the main language, and then one language. The third language which is not given much importance, but then it is also there, let us say. 6 languages. And to learn that 6 languages, the amount of noise they make, the amount of trouble they undergo, the amount of trouble the parents go through, the amount of pain the teachers go through in teaching them. 6 subjects. Here, one very beautiful list is being given. What all the children are taught in the Gurukula. One is Veda, Rig Veda, Yajurveda, Samaveda and Atharvana Veda. Then you also have Upanishads, which is also part of the Veda, and then Brahma Sutra, which is a beautiful text written by Veda Vyasji. Purana, Veda, Purana. What is Purana? I will just only list Padma Purana, Agni Purana, Brahma Purana, Garuda Purana, Linga Purana, Vishnu Purana, Brahmanda Purana, Matsya Purana, Narada Purana, Shiva Purana, Skanda Purana, Vamana Purana, Kurma Purana, Samba Purana, Mudgala Purana, Nrisimha Purana, Parasharya Purana, Naradiya Purana, etc. Think. Purana, so many. Vedanga, Tarka, Nyaya, Mimamsa, Jyotishya, Shiksha, Kalpa, Nirukta, Vyakarana, Chandas, Niti Sutra, like Rananiti, etc. Then Sangeetam, Sutra Shastra and Samhita. Oh Rama, if somebody says this much you have to learn, our people in modern days would say, no need, I will go for coolies work and I will enjoy my life. I can't study so much. For the 6 subjects in the school, maybe 4 subjects or 3 subjects in the graduation time, people are so tired of studying. Look at the list. Even I would forget the list. There could be so many other else also. This is the best I could list. All this have been studied. Now see, not only that, people may think, no, now we have different type of subjects. That also they learnt. What is that? Bhautika Shastram, which we call as physics. Rasatantram, chemistry. Jiva Shastram, biology, zoology. Ganita Shastram, mathematics. So therefore, all what you study did not come now in the modern days. It has been there from Anadi Kala. And then all this they have learnt when? How? Alpakala Vidya Sab. In little, when a very short time, Alpakala Vidya Sab Ai. They learnt all this put together. Think. And in modern world, we talk so much to study Swamiji, so much to study Swamiji. Think about this. What now they teach is peanuts. There is nothing actually. And for that we are not ready. We think we take it as a burden actually. Jaki rahasa swasa shruti chari. Tulsidas very beautifully writes, Jaki sahaja swasa shruti chari sohara padayaha kautaka bhari. The one whose very shwasa are the Vedas. Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra Ji, shwasa is the Vedas. Even that Vedas require an alambana, they also exist because of the Parabrahma Swarupa Paramatma, now here in the form of Ramchandra Ji. So, Hari Padayaha Kautaka Bhari, that Hari who is a very breath of all Shastra, he had to go to the Gurukula to study all of them. How funny! Kautuka Bhari. Vidya Vinaya Nipuna Guna Sila. Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra ji, who is already proficient in all that Vidya, knowledge, Vinaya, humility, Nipuna. Nipuna here means what? The one who is very clever, who is very sharp, and very shrewd and skillful in every aspect, whatever he learns. He is that, and who is also the embodiment of virtues and character, guna and shila. That Bhagavan, Kela hi Kela Sakala Nripalila, he also played with all the other boys, like imitating the role of a king. One is playing with the boys, the other one is they also trained themselves with all the ways of how a king should behave. Nripalila Karatal Bana Dhanushati Soha. They had bow in their hands and they started learning archery. They learnt archery. Atisoha. It was very charming the way all the four people or four boys, when they would hold that bow and each of them targeting. There's so many leelas also is shown in very many other Ramayans, like in Valmiki Ramayana and all the other Ramayans. Lot of leelas are being explained. Tulsidas, he prefers to move fast because he is wanting to go further and see what all happens. Sometimes we also do when we want to read a book, a comic or a novel or something. We keep learning and suddenly shift the pages. Why? In the TV, when some song, etc. comes, we are not very keen in that song, we fast forward, push it up. Isn't it? Like that, Tulsidas, you want to push up the regular normal things so that he can give preference and importance to the most important learning for us. Karatalabana Danushati Soha Dekhata Rupa Charachara Moha. It was very beautiful to see Bhagavan playing, and the Charachara, the animate and inanimate, all of them, the whole creation were enthralled by Bhagavan's Leela. Jinabi thinabi harahi sab bhai, takhita hoi sab loga lugai. And wherever the boys would go, in whichever street, probably in some roads, etc., when they go, the whole people would come out and look at these boys with so much of astonishment, so much of joy, so much of, thrill, enthusiasm. The very sight of Bhagavan. Yogino Yasmin Ramate we saw earlier. The boy, not only yogis, everybody would get carried away by the beauty and by the pursuit of sports which they would play in the roads also, probably. Takita hoi, all of them stood motionless. Motionless meaning what? They completely became still and they were captured as though by the sports of the boys, looking at them. Kosalapura basi nara nari bruddhal arubala. In that Kosalapura, in that Ayodhya, men, nara, nari, women, vriddha, elderly people, arubala, and children, all of them, pranahute priyalagata sabakahu Rama kripala. For them, Rama became, their very life principle. Bhagavan was so dear to them, to all of them, with no bar, not only to the elderly men, not only to the women, not only to the youth, not only to the boys, but to all of them. Nara, Nari, Briddha, Arubala, all of them loved Bhagavan so much. Continuing, Tulsidasi writes, Bandhu sakha sangad lehi bolai, banamrgayat nita khelahi jai, पावन मृग मारहि जिय जानी, दिन प्रति नृपहि देखावहि आनी। जे मृग राम बाण के मारे, ते तनु तजि सुरलेक सिधारे। अनुज सखा संग भोजन करही, मातु पिता आज्ञा अनुसरही। जेहि विधि सुखी होई पुरलोगा, करहि कृपा निधि सोई संजोगा। वेद पुराण सुनहि मन लाई, आपु कहहि अनुजन समुझाई। प्रात काल उठि कै रघुनाथा, मातु पिता गुरु नावहि माथा। आय सुमागी करहि पुर काजा, देखि चरित हर्षड मन राजा। व्यापक अकल अनीह अज, निर्गुण नामन रूप। भगत हेतु नाना विधि, करत चरित्र अनूप। सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय। उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भई सब संतन की जय। सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। बंधु सखा संग लेहि बोलाई, calling all his friends and brothers. बन मृगयानित खेलहि जाई. All of them went, were well prepared with their bows, arrows, everything. They all went to the forest for hunting. He took all of them. He took all of them to the forest. Pavan mriga marahi jiya jani. He would deliberately kill one animal. Dina prati nripahi dekhavahi ani. And then he would bring it to the palace to show to the king, see what I have done, what I have got today. All of them had that habit. Every day they would go for the hunting. They would kill those days when they say, see, this we have to understand clearly. This was a very important natural sport of the Kshatriyas. To go to the forest and kill a mriga and bring it. This was a natural sport of Kshatriyas. See, we should not, label them differently. That is a very common sport. So like that Ramchandraji and all of them, he would come and bring and show it to his father and all. Dina prati nripahi dekhavahi ani. To show his father. जे मृग राम बाण के मारे, ते तनु तजि सुरलोक सिधारे. Now look at that. Those, let us say, beasts or maybe some, what do you call it as, deer, etc. That which was killed by Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra ji, te tanu taji, they would give up their body, but where do they go? Suraloka Siddhare. They all will be transported to Suraloka, to Brahmaloka. Meaning what? They all those animals who were killed by Ramchandra ji would go to heaven. That is the glory of the Ramchandra ji's actions. Anuja Sakha Sangha Bhojana Karahi. Anuja Sakha. With all the brothers, when Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra ji, when he took meals, Matu Pita Agyanusarahi, they obeyed their parents. This is a very, very important point. While they were children, they went hither and thither. We just now saw, isn't it? When the mother wanted to feed the boy, would tumuku tumuku. There's a very beautiful song, very oft-quoted, well-known song. Thumak chalat Ramchandra. I am not a very good singer. You all know the song. Thumak thumak. And here, Matupita Agya, meaning what? This indicates that the boys have matured in their thinking and now they have started obeying. The obedience is a most important factor for every student. Today, many cases we find that the children do not obey their parents. They not only bring disturbance in the parents' head and heart, they also bring disturbance for the people around by not obeying. And today worst is they reply back, they shout back. And in rare cases, they even beat the parents. See how the cultural changes have taken place. We call it modern, but that kind of activities are most stupid, highly condemnable. The modernization must bring in more maturity. But if the modernization is not bringing maturity, but taking them to the tamasic way of life, such modernization must be condemnable. Such children should be treated so badly that they realize how beautiful were their parents, how accommodative were their parents. When the same thing, when they go and do it outside, world will not tolerate them. They will treat them very badly. Because parents tolerate them, they want to try to overpower them. No. In the childhood, it is a child's prank. That is acceptable. That is beautiful. That is charming. But the same thing when they do it when they are older, it is condemnable. Punishable also in many cases. Look at this. Matupita Agya Anusarahi. They went through that stage by obeying the parents. The one who works under the guidance of the parents, one who learns the teachings of the parents, and who works obeying the parents, such children will be glorious in the future. Jehi bidi sukhi hoi pura loga. Ehi vidhi. In this way, all the work, Bhagavan Ramchandra ji would plan all his actions which would bring delight to everybody. Sukhi hohi. Everybody will become happy. Karahi kripanidhi soi sanjogi. Not only he would plan activities which will bring joy to the others, he will also execute that plans in the same way. Very many people plan, but they don't execute. They do it something differently. Planning to, so much of planning will happen. But when it comes to execution, many fail. That is why Param Pujya Gurudev would say, plan out your work and work out your plan. Very beautifully said. Plan out your work and work out your plan. Plan precisely, work diligently. And said, Yogaha karmasu kaushalam. Dexterity in action is yoga. Param Pujya Gurudev would always say. So work properly. How? By planning properly and execution of the plan. Karahi kripanidhi soi sanyoga. Veda Purana sunahi manalaye. He would carefully listen to Vedas and Puranas taught by the teacher. Aap kahahi anujahi samujhai. And having listened to that carefully, he will also clear the doubts of all the brothers. He would teach them also. So beautiful way of life. Pratakala utikhe Raghunatha. Early morning when Bhagavan Ramchandra ji would get up, Matu Pita Guru Navahi Matha. He will never miss out in going in first prostrating to mother, father and guru. This prostrating to mother, father and guru daily has become an outdated activity. Today, falling in front of the parents, we feel it is not fashion. Foolish. Every day, I remember my grandmother who would insist, all of us, we are 4 siblings. she would insist, the moment we get up, go brush your teeth, wash your face, come back, first fall at the feet of the mother, then go and fall at the feet of the father, and then go to the puja room. We had a puja room those times separately. Now we have accommodation problem. We have no accommodation for Bhagavan. Why? Everyone wants to occupy one room. But those days in my childhood, we had a separate room, proper bedroom, but it was turned into a puja room. Go there, sit down, chant some nama japa, and then do namaskara there. And then come out and sit and study. These were all very beautiful culture we all gained from our grandmother. All right. Matu pita guru navehi mata. Every day one has to perform namaskara to the parents. Many people, many of us regret later. I did not do karke. Those who have an opportunity from now, from today, from this day start, go and do namaskara. Ayasu magi karahi pura kaja, dekhi charita harshai manaraja. Ayasu magi karahi pura kaja. Having taken permission from the parents, they would go and do all the work, administrative work in the city. Dekhi charita harashahi manaraja. The Raja, the king, was so delighted seeing the discipline in not only Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra ji, but all the four of them. Dasharatha was very delighted. Why? He was very proud of his children. Vyapaka kalaniha aja. That Lord Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra ji, who is he? Vyapaka, who is all pervading. Akalai, the one who is indivisible, meaning what? The one and only Supreme Bhagavan. Aniha, desireless. Aja, unborn. Such Bhagavan who is nirguna, attributeless. Namana rupa, who has no names or forms. That particular Supreme Brahman. Bhagat hetu nana vidhi karata charitra anupa. That Rama, who is other than the first two lines here in the Doha, indicate the Nirguna Swarupa, Parabrahma, Paramatma. That Paramatma, he came down, Avatarita, he came down as Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra ji, Bhagata Hetu. Because of the love of the Bhakta Jana, Nana Vidhikarata Charitra Anupa. Nana Vidhi, in very, very many ways, he performed marvelous actions and brought delight to everyone. We will continue tomorrow. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Sadgurunath Maharaj Ki Jai.